Sister has asked a question that if I am making dua for something and years are passing altogether and still Allah is not fulfilling my dua, in such a situation, can I change my dua and stop asking for that, and instead of that saying that, oh Allah, whatever best you feel, please give it to me. Sister, I think you joined the lecture a little late. During the talk, I already mentioned a hadith of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. A sahabi comes to Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and he says exactly what you asked me. He says, Ya Rasulullah, I was asking for something for several years and Allah was not answering my dua, so I stopped asking that. The Prophet replied, the dua which you stopped, maybe if you would have asked for one more time, that was the time when Allah would have decided to give you, and you stopped that to reach you by yourself by not asking about it. Meaning the Prophet said, keep on asking. Don't stop asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, keep on asking. You know why? Because if you keep on asking whether Allah gives or not, you will never suffer a loss. Why? The Prophet ﷺ in another hadith he said, Allah gives or answers the prayers of his servants in 3 different timings. One, he said, he gives his servant whenever the servant asks anything from Allah. For example, a girl is writing an exam for 10th class, a boy is writing an exam for graduation. They pray Allah, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, pass me with merit. And the boy and the girl are passed with merit. Suppose a proposal is sent to your daughter, to your sister, and the father and the mother of the girl. They make dua, Ya Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please settle this proposal. This is a very good boy. I want this girl to get married to him. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts the dua. Then and there the dua is accepted. The second, the Prophet ﷺ said, the servant keeps asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but Allah answers the prayer when Allah feels now it is best time for the servant to receive what he has been asking for. Just put it this way, Bill Gates is considered one of the richest persons of the world. If his son is studying in 5th standard or 6th standard and he is asking Bill Gates to give him a Ferrari racing car or a Mercedes sports car, for Bill Gates it's not a big problem. He can open a complete showroom for him. But he will not do that because he knows my son doesn't know. If I give him the racing car, he will meet an accident and he will die. So he does not give the son the car, not because he can't afford it, but because he loves the son. Similarly, Allah loves us more than anyone else. Allah knows if I give what my servant is asking now, they will suffer a loss. So Allah gives when Allah feels now it is fit for them. For example, there are many people who make dua, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I am applying for a visa. Let this visa be stamped on my passport. But it doesn't happen. You apply one time, you apply 2 times, then after several years it happens to you. That was the best time when Allah thought now he can or she can get this. The third, the Prophet ﷺ said, keep on asking Allah till you die. Allah doesn't answer your call because Allah knows if I give, they will suffer a loss. And suddenly on day of judgment, Allah's messenger said, when we are resurrected, this servant of Allah who was asking something Allah constantly till the death, he suddenly finds a mountain of good deeds standing beside him or beside her. And they will be wondering, what is this? Is this mine? They will be doubting, this can't be mine because I was not so good. So the angels will say, glad tidings to you, these are your good deeds, enter the Jannah. The servant will say, he or she will say, I never did so many good deeds. And Allah will reply and say, you remember, I promised you that if you ask me, I will reply your supplication. I will reply to your dua. I did not feel it fit in your muqaddar to be given in this world. In return, I am giving it now. Allah's messenger says, the servant will say, Allah, by your honor, Wallah, oh Allah, you should not have accepted any of my duas in this world, and instead of that given everything to me now in this field of akhirah. So Allah always accepts the dua, sister. Never stop asking anything to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and always ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you the best. Rabbana atayna fid dunya hasanatan. See, Allah taught us the dua in the Quran in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 201. Oh our Lord, give me the best in this world. Rabbana atayna fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. Oh Allah, give me the best in this life and the best in the akhirah, and protect me, save me from the fire of hell, sister. So inshallah, sister, don't stop making dua. Keep on making dua. Maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you when Allah feels best, or he will recompensate it in akhirah, inshallah.
يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيب الفسيح سبيل الدموع سبيل